The importance of networking in investment banking. This is lesson 2 of class 2. In this lesson, we will review the importance of networking when breaking into the industry and the importance of networking within the industry. Background. Networking is the most important aspect in investment banking, and therefore it is also the most important skill for a practitioner to possess. The main objective of every client mandate is to find a willing and able participant to take the other side of the deal. The bank's ability to execute transactions and close deals is directly correlated with the practitioner's ability to leverage their existing networks. Therefore, practitioners, especially senior bankers, are constantly engaging in behavior to maintain and expand their networks. Why networking is important to break in. Investment banking is notorious for being one of the most difficult industries to break into, and it requires a massive networking effort. One's networking effort is the most crucial aspect when attempting to break into the industry. Why is it so hard to break into the industry? A seat at an investment bank is one of the most coveted positions following an undergraduate or graduate level education. Junior level investment banking positions attract thousands of applications for each position. The majority of investment banking internships and entry-level positions are reserved only for top students at target universities. Therefore, to even have an opportunity to interview, it requires much more than a submitted application. How do you set yourself apart from the competition? All things equal, it is the candidate who can most effectively build and maintain relevant industry relationships and then leverage those relationships to break in. The ability to network at a young age via informational interviewing shows practitioners the candidate's future potential within the industry. Why networking is important as a practitioner. An investment bank without relationships is irrelevant within the industry. The investment banking industry is structured to reward success, and the bank and its senior practitioners are judged largely on their ability to leverage their networks to close deals. Why are networks so important to investment banks and their clients? The bank is hired to broker a deal for the client, or in other words, find a willing and able counterparty to execute the transaction. The client wants to utilize the bank's representation within the capital markets for multiple reasons. The bank possesses trusted relationships with key decision makers at well-known institutions within the capital markets. The bank's trust within the capital markets is a stamp of approval for the client and provides a level of professional verification. Why is it important for bankers to build a trustworthy reputation? Practitioners who have established accountability can leverage that trust for a mutual benefit on behalf of the client and the buyer. Having a trusted dealer helps create efficiencies for both the client and the buyer. So in conclusion, most well-known buyers receive hundreds of solicitations on a monthly basis. If a buyer can more easily identify and source legitimate investment opportunities from a trusted banking partner, then this will help build efficiencies within the investing process. Thank you for tuning into this lesson, and we look forward to seeing you at the next lesson, which will cover the key components of networking.